Hi everyone, this is Christian with Storm Equipment. In today's video, we're showing you how to install the TIVAR kit. In this video, we have a PlowMax Lite 72712. Let's start on the wing. Start with loosening the hardware that is holding the standard cutting edge on the wing. When assembling the new wing with your TIVAR kit, it will be 4 pieces. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Pre-assembling these before putting them on the wing will be the easiest. Once we have the new wing assembly assembled, it will be 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, of course, looking at the directions too for easier installation. Once this is assembled, we will put it on the rest of the plow. You are going to hang the newly assembled wing piece onto the plow. Once the main hardware is installed, you will install the toe spring for the edge. Once everything is started with the hardware, you can tighten up the hardware for final installation. And that is how you install a TIVAR kit. Tough, inert, very abrasion resistant TIVAR kit.